What's up guys, it's Flash. In this video, you're going to be getting tips and tricks off a Wall Street veteran, David, from the Best Stock Strategy. He's going to be going over his whole journey in options and going to be giving you some free insight of what it's like to trade options. If you're interested, you want to stay tuned, it's going to be a video for you. Before we get into the video guys, if you would please do me the honor and please smash that like button, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe. Hope you enjoy. God bless. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. Kind of some of the pros and cons in trade. We're going to get into your options as well. I'm quite interested to know a bit more about your options. But kind of some of the pros and cons in trading that people maybe watching this that have no idea about trading and do want to get into it, especially if you want to get into options.
I think the pros are that it provides you with, it's relatively easy. So you don't have, you're your own boss. Additionally, you can trade from your smartphone. So whether I'm traveling or whether I'm at home, I don't have to sit in front of a computer screen. I don't have people telling me exactly what to do. Just like when I was working in investment banking, there was a lot of BS work. So there was things that I needed to create where it would never be used. But with trading, you make a trade and then you're either rewarded or you lose money. So it's like if you make a good decision, you're instantly rewarded and you get that instantaneous feedback. So there's no bullshit, there's no BS when you're trading, right? Like you make a trade and then the market tells you instantaneously whether you made a good decision or this trade is going to be profitable or it's not. It's not a situation where you're working for someone else and then you're told and then you have to do something that you don't want to do. So yeah, you have the freedom. It can obviously be extremely profitable. I think the negative side effects or the drawbacks of trading are simply people need to be honest with themselves and understand that, just like you said, not everything is going to work 100% of the time. So you can put in all the time and effort, but you need to learn from experience. It is important to have a solid foundation, but you do need that experience, and you have to accept that there will be maybe 4 or 5 days or maybe a month that you lose money. You're not going to make money all the time. And there is an emotional toll when you lose money, because the pain from losing money is much stronger than the elation or the happiness that you feel when you're making money. So you always have to factor in some risk controls and risk parameters. Regarding options specifically, I chose that product because it provides you with a high statistical probability of profit. So going back to the Apple example that I used earlier about 10 minutes ago, when Apple is trading at 155, if you agree to buy Apple at a price of 140 and you collect some premium, the chances that Apple is going to fall to 140 is extremely low. So whereas you're only making around 30 to 60% every single year by trading options, the statistical probability of profit is very high.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you are interested in seeing the full interview, I have put a link in the description below. Go check it out. The full interview is there. If you are also interested in getting in contact with David and maybe looking to educate yourself in options, there is a link and a discount code for his course down below, so go check it out. God bless.